Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen with the link in description.
All right, so it's time to open the first spot on the Nissin Germany Advent calendar. Here is one. So here we go. I think that's one, right? That looks like a one to me. Okay, right. It is December 1st, and we are going to cook up some today will be spicy beef Demae ramen. And yeah, I got to crack these open in the morning because if it's one that I haven't tried in the past, then I've got to do all the pictures and everything. So yeah, cool. That'll be cooking up in a bit. Well, hello, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, it's the first of 24 episodes for the Advent calendar, the Nissin Germany Advent calendar, which came in the mail, I guess, on Saturday. And today is December 1st, 2025. We've actually got the tree up. Oh, Tannenbaum. Yeah. And, oh, I need the noodles. Well, I'm going to get the noodles. But here, down here on the floor, this big sucker is the Advent calendar. And, yeah. Oh, you've already seen it. That's right. Because this morning, when I started things off, I showed you that when I pulled out the package. Yeah. So 24 days of doing this. This should be interesting. They sent me one last year, which was super rad, but the problem was it didn't show up until like January 3rd. And so the ability to do the, Advent calendar during the correct times was not able to be done. So, now it is. We'll get to have some enjoyment. I've got it's kind of weird. So, I'm 200 reviews ahead. The way I'm going to have to number these is, here, let's make it so the tree is more in view-ish. But what I'm going to have to do is the posts that are coming out. Like, there's going to be a post coming out with this on www.theramenraider.com. There's also a video that's going to be coming out on YouTube. And indeed, these are the numbers if I continued on from where I'm at. So this will be a review, I think, 5577. The last post I did, I think, was 5370. So I'm like about 200 reviews ahead. I've got episodes of this show going all the way out until, what, May? I think we're on May now. Yeah, so it's kind of a weird thing with the timing and the such and the deal and the stuff, but yeah, but it's cool. I wanted to do this, and what was crazy too is the first one I pulled out of this is a variety I haven't reviewed yet, and if that's going to be par for the course, I'm not gonna open these. Like, I could open like 3 of them today and then get the posts ready. I'm doing them one a day, which at 7 in the morning, cracking open the advent calendar box and pulling one out. It's like, oh crap, I gotta like get the images done. I've got to get the post ready. I've got to decide what bowl I'm going to use, what time, all that crap. It takes a lot. So this is kind of a special thing. But it's going to be an interesting marathon of doing this. But yeah, I guess I'm going to have to get some more Christmassy music for this. Yeah, I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. Yeah, today's December 1st, and I'm releasing this today. So every day there's going to be something actually not that I reviewed like 6 months prior coming out, but there will be one of those as well. So it's like it's a Christmas twofer. Anyway. And it is getting bitter cold outside. It was, I think it got down to like 28 last night. And then got out this morning and it was like 35 and started walking. I was frozen until I chugged around enough and then I got warmed up. So kind of how it works. But it's time to break out my what do you call them? I've got these little things. They're rechargeable, and I just call them my hot hands or my hand warmers or whatever. That adds weight to my coat though, but it's better to have that than to not, that's for sure. When you're out walking and the breeze is cutting through you, it's nice to have warm hands. Speaking of things and stuff, today is Cyber Monday, and I highly recommend you go to www.theramenreader.com and check out my Cyber Monday Black Friday thing if you're looking for noodle stuff for people. If you're not looking for noodle stuff for people and you want to be super rad and cool and kind, you can go look and you can donate to the Ramen Raider. There's a thing up on the top on the website. If you look around, you'll find something that says donate, and that would be highly, highly appreciated. Dealing with some technological issues right now. The keyboard that I use is great, except now it's doing the double key presses, and it's like I need to get a new keyboard, like typing keyboard. And with Christmas, I gotta spend all the money I got on presents for other people, so it's like crap. I could buy it today. That's the thing that sucks. So, but if you want to donate, that would be absolutely wonderful. What I should have done when I got the keyboard that I have, that I got 2 years ago, and it just went out of warranty like 3 months ago, of course. I should have bought a warranty for it. I'm never going to not do that again, that's for sure. Anyways, enough of that. Here is our noodle. And our broth. It's beefy, salty. It has a little bit of heat. It reminds me of like a cross between like a Chinese braised beef variety and maybe like a duck flavor. It's nice. Here, let me fix this. It's all off center. I apologize if it makes you dizzy that I have to do this. All right. Technology. Whoa, is our like... There we go, that's a little better. This bowl actually came from, oh, I didn't even show you the packaging. Hold on, let me get that. Wow. I haven't done any reviews in like, geez. I haven't done a review in like, feels like at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks, so it's like, But this is what we just sampled. This is Nissin Demae Ramen, spicy beef. This comes from Germany. It's for the European market. You won't find this in the US, however, it's in that big advent calendar. And it's really cool. So, and it's decent. I like this. You will find Demae Ramen here. They don't... It kind of surprises me that Nissin here doesn't really make Demae Ramen. They did one. They made a... Didn't they make a bowl of the sesame? I think they did. And then that was that. So what I was planning on doing was going to the store and getting some Chinese sausage. They had Chinese sausage locally once. And it appears those days are over, which is crummy. So I don't have any Chinese sausage. So what do I do? I don't know. I have to do things that are not that, and I have to hope that this egg, which, I mean, look at that. I don't understand, but we'll see if doing it this way works out. These are just normal spendy softies. I don't know why the eggs lately have just been not... Whoa, what's up with that? Maybe there was a problem with the chickens. But yeah, there's like this big divot here. I definitely didn't forget how to soft boil an egg. But I'm starting to think maybe the conditions in the refrigerator are causing things to happen. And like I said, I haven't used any eggs in a little while, so they're not like they're old, but they've sat and been very cold. I don't know. We'll see what the deal is. I mean, that looks like a soft-boiled egg to me. I do have this here. It's crazy though. Just like, I have no idea what I'm reviewing at the beginning of the day. I've got to review it. I've got to get all the stuff all set up for it. It's difficult though. And they didn't have my chili crisp that I was hoping they would have, but they had this, and I thought I would try it. Whoa. Lee Kum Kee chili garlic sauce. I know, right? But that'll work. And since it has garlic in it, it has to go in the fridge. That's kind of a new thing to me. And at the dollar store, they had crispy onions. Maybe this will work out. A little bit of that. Unfortunately, they're not the kind of crispy onions that I prefer. Yeah, they're really greasy. I like them when they're like really dry, not so greasy, but really, really crisp. They also have, oh, what do you call it? Fried garlic. That's where it's at. little more over there. And yeah, I'm really kind of curious what the one for tomorrow is going to be, but I guess I won't know until tomorrow. Honestly, I was thinking, I bet you I could email the folks over at Nissin Germany and ask them what the succession of all these are, one after the other, but nah, not going to cheat. Going to do it the right way. Well, thanks for watching. This is a new thing to me, doing these the same day and releasing them like this. I'm gonna make it also so you can go through all of them, like next in the post. So if you miss one, it'll just have all of them, 1 through 24, and the unboxing. So yeah, crazy. Well, Christmas is coming. Winter is coming. Actually, December 1st is the first day of meteorological winter. So there's meteorological and astrological. Astrological winter will start on like what? December 21st. Meteorological winter starts on December 1st and goes to the last day of February. So February, that's your job. Always say it correctly. Thanks for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.